Welcome all. Today we'll be discussing about absolute loader. This absolute loader is the simplest type of all the loader schemes. And this also fits the general model. So here the scheme is implemented like this. You do have an assembler. The output of the assembler is nothing but your machine, language, translation of the source program. Which is nothing but, which is exactly like assemble and go loading scheme. But one different or one difference is there, and that difference is data should be punched on cards. So this is the process, or this is the task that is done by the assembler. Here the loader, what it does is it accepts machine text. It accepts the machine text, and what it does is it places it into the core, and at the location prescribed by the assembler. So this is the overall process of absolute loaders, and here let us try to understand what are its merits and demerits. The merits are it has more core memory available to the user. This is the plus point. Now let us come to the demerits. So the demerits are the programmer must specify the assembler the address where the program is to be loaded. That is, the program has to specify the address where the program has to be loaded. And in case of multiple subroutines, the programmer must remember all the addresses. So here the loader functions or the task that is accomplished can be divided like this, or it can be categorized like this. Allocation is done by the programmer, and linking is also done by the programmer. Reallocation is done by the assembler, and loading is done by the loader. So these are the things that we have to remember. In addition to this, we have to write the block diagram. Let me assume that this is one of the modules, that is main. In addition to that, you do have square root as one more module. So both are fed to your absolute loader. So you have this as the memory. In one part the square root is assigned, in other part main is assigned. So therefore the absolute loader specifies these two locations, and all these things are free memory space. So these are the things that you have to discuss if anything is asked based on absolute loader. Thank you.